Over here at Bethany Lakes, got the fly rod. This is the Cabela's TQR. It's a short rod with the Echo Ion 2.3 weight and some, I think it's a 3-weight line, 2-weight line, weight forward. And I got a short tippet on there with a tippet ring and some tippet. And I got the olive near deer. This is the one I like using for trout during trout season. But right now, we're just gonna go see what we can do. Fish the pond. See if something's over here in the shallows and want to chase this thing. Oh, there's a hit. Yep, in the shallows. Chased it. Little blue galley. All right, well, we didn't strike out. Little perch or bluegill. Size 10 olive near deer. Just the right size for catching some stalker trout this upcoming season. Got several things to look forward to in the area. Got the Blue River trout stocking. That's going to happen over there in Oklahoma, just north of us from the Metroplex here in Dallas. It's like 45 minutes or an hour 45, 2 hours. Nice day trip thing to do. I'm not looking at my fly, watching the line, looking for any indication of a strike, a pickup, maybe the line going slack, maybe the line twitching. Here I'll just kind of bring it in slowly, and I'm trying to feel for a strike as well as look at my line for an indication of a strike. Half the battle with fly fishing is knowing when to set the hook, because you got a strike or not. So let's see if I can feel another one hitting. Nope, nothing yet. Okay, I'm just gonna drag it in slowly, watching that line. Oh, there was a pickup. Shoot! Okay, so what happened there was the line hesitated, and that was the pickup. There was a hit there. Okay, that one I felt the hit when I was retrieving on the short pulls. So while I was doing this, right here, there's the hit. Right there, that's what happened. Short pulls, and then I felt the tug, and went ahead and set the hook. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That guy's a prize. Right there, buddy. Nice. Go back this way. Oh, there's the hit. Yeah, there's the hit. Up close, over there by the cypress knees. Ah, he got off. Well, at least he was bigger. Yeah, oh well. I had something. Let's go further to my left here. Oh, shoot. Right there, look at that. I went to go cast and this little bass hit it. Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's called the no look presentation. Just that feel. A lot of times it'll be either a visual indication of a strike, or you'll feel it actually hit. So a lot of times I don't know. I just like both, just in case, because sometimes you'll see them hit and it's a visual indication, but you still got to wait, because sometimes they're just short striking on you. I remember that happened to me. Oh, happened to me at Turner Falls, where if I saw the strike or the trout came up and hit it, you still needed to hesitate before setting a hook, because a lot of times they were coming up and coming right next to it and striking at it. So you had to kind of wait until you saw, there you go, saw your line straighten. All right, so that was the case where I saw the line kind of hesitated a little, and I set the hook and I felt the tension on the line right there, and that was a visual setting the hook. All right, let's see if I can get another one. Hey, right. And you know, the good thing about this, fishing these ponds and whatnot, is in preparation for the trout stocking season is, well, this helps catching trout also, because you get used to your rod, you get used to how it feels. And oh, there's a tap. Oh, here we go. That was a tap. He tapped it, ran, and I set the hook and got another one. A little blue galley. Nice. All right. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. All right. Let's see. Nothing. All right. Oh wow! Shoot! Look at that. got me wrapped on this tree thing, but he hit up close. He was right there. Wow. That one hit on the drop, and the only reason why I was setting the hook was because I was just lifting up to get ready for the next cast. So look at that little guy, all the way up to basically to the end of the cast. A retrieve. Short pulls, and then I'll slow down and hesitate and just kind of drag it slowly, coming at the end here, hoping for one of them to pick up. Nope, not that time. Let's go over here again. Had a couple of hits there. No, nothing there. That wasn't it. There we go. There we go. Now when I saw the line start moving to my left, really slowly, start a little bend in the line, and I set the hook. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing. The short pulls, and I'm gonna drag it slowly. I know it's pretty close to the bottom when I do this, and the reason why I know that is because I've seen it on sunny days when the water's really clear. I'll do the same retrieve. There's a hit. That one was just a straight line, went slack, and then he ran on it. Oh yeah, blue golly, nice. All right, yeah, and you know it's good practice for the upcoming trout stocking season. Let's go cross. I must ford the river. The river. Ah yes. Bethany Feeder Creek. I must contend with this obstacle. How must I go? Oh, I see a rock. I see a rock. I see another rock. I see some dirt. All right, I did it. It's a little feeder creek. Every once in a while, it'll get really high on us when there's a bunch of rain and whatnot. For the most part, it just stays pretty slow, low and slow. Thought I just saw something move. Oh, here he goes. Yeah, I thought I saw something over here moving around. What could it be? Oh, it's a little bass. Nice. Little bass kind of lurking over there where the feeder creek runs in. Okay. All right, that's fun. It's fun stuff, man.